How to delete battery usage history on iPhone. So if you want to delete battery usage history on iPhone, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your settings. After opening your settings, you need to scroll down, go with general, and then tap on iPhone storage. Now you need to find the apps that you might want to delete the battery usage history for. Like for example, I'll choose YouTube. And then you have to tap on offload app and tap on confirm, which will be on the bottom. And again, you need to tap on reinstall app, and after reinstalling the app, battery usage history of this app will be deleted. That's the first method. But there's also another method that you can do, which would be resetting your iPhone. So open up your settings again, and now you need to just simply go back and you'll get this kind of interface. Scroll down, go with general, scroll all the way down, and then tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset, which will be on the bottom, and reset all of the settings or your network settings. After resetting your settings, your problem might be fixed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.